I'm gonna have way too much footage back here. But it's just hard not to want to film everything that's back here. Holy moly. Then you get little mini waterfalls like this. All right, show of hands in the comments. How many people want to go skinny dipping down there? Well, it looks like I've run into a bit of a conundrum here. As you can see by this lovely sign, fire activity ahead. Yeah, conundrum. You never thought you'd hear somebody from Ohio saying a big word like that, have you? So I don't know if it's safe to continue or not. If it's the power of suggestion or because I thought I smelled it earlier, but I think I smell some just ever so often. It could be smoke, but then again, there's a bunch of campers right behind me too, because they came from Indian Boundary. Far Gap is that way, but the GPS makes it look like this road just kind of goes up, makes a great big circle to right back to where I am. I don't know what to do.
Right as I got back on the bike, I met a lady coming from that direction, and she said there was no fire up in there, but it was very rocky and very rough coming through that way, so I thought I would just ignore that path until maybe I have some company for next time. I had to backtrack and go out the same way I came in, since that's the only possibility.
Name of this road is River Road, of all things. Imagine that, parallels this river. I think this is part of the Tellico River, but don't quote me on that. Alright, I actually know where I'm at, believe it or not. I was here a long time ago. Probably back when I had my Kawasaki, Ball River Falls. Oh boy, she's a flowing today. Wow. Whew, getting hit with the spray in my face. Man, I know it's not going to show up on the camera, but just the sheer speed of that water coming off that rock over there is amazing. Try to get a better view. I'm going to pull off up here. Check that out. Well, I'll be damned. The fire sign was real. I assume this is a controlled burn, by the looks of things. Well, the pavement finally ran out. I really didn't think it was going to. Didn't care either way. I was just enjoying the scenery and the remoteness, but bonus, I think. I hope. Temperature really has dropped since I've been climbing these hills. I mean, I haven't paid attention to what the thermometer on the bike says, but I can feel it. At some point, when do you come back into civilization? I don't know. I would have thought by now I'd have ran back into the Chariloa Skyway or something like that. But I truly have no idea where I am. It's kind of cool. Oh, check it out. There's been a lot of these, though. A lot of these little falls alongside the road. Yep, definitely coming down the mountainside now. I can really feel a jump in the temperature. even though the bike is only showing a 1 degree difference, but I can feel it. Hey, that's the first sign of life I've seen in forever. That's one thing I'll say about the South. You give someone a wave, you're gonna get it back. I mean, he didn't need to pull over like that. There was plenty of room. He's probably a local saying, what's this idiot doing back here? Hey, there's signs of life right there. There's a house. Oh, there's a good one. I'm sure that's not going to show up very good. I'm probably going to have to zoom in and post, but there's a nice waterfall right there. How about that? 2 different rivers coming together. And pavement. Still don't know where I am. Oh, that's 3/4 the battle, right? Told people I wanted to come down here to Sweetwater, Tennessee and get lost on mountain roads, and I've been doing a damn fine job of that the last 2 days. I mean, right now I don't even have a clue where I am. I'm gonna have to figure it out on a map when I get somewhere. I just know I'm here. I know that much. Getting the faintest hint of the honeysuckle smell, something I so love down here. Boy, look at this road. It looks downright wicked curvy. Oh, this might be fun. That was Davis Creek Road, by the way, with all that gravel I just did. Somehow River Run Road turned into that. Not sure how, but it did. Okay. I'm supposed to make a right on the Joe Brown Highway, and that sure looks like gravel to me. Wouldn't call that a highway, but hey, whatever. Huh. Okay. This is what we call a highway now. Alright, well, if I have to. You know, I was just thinking, it's one of the wider gravel roads I've been on here. Maybe that's why it gets the designation as a highway. Jeez. I've seen washboards with less bumps in them. Holy crap. I don't know if it's going to be gravel the whole way or not, but according to GPS, my next turn is in 37 miles. On US 11 north. That usually means I'm staying on this road for that long. I wonder if it's ever going to turn back to pavement. If not, well, I've been getting lots of gravel practice today. And I tried to get it on film a little while ago, but I had a turkey in the road. Of course, the GoPro, as always, wanted to screw up. See what I mean? Nothing cool ever happens when I got the GoPro going. Well, what's up with that? Thank you. I just had another plane go past me, and we were both grinning ear to ear and waving at each other. Yeah, there's a pickup in front of me too. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. I got no place to be till next Monday at 5 a.m. when I got to go back to work. Well, and look at that. Chip and seal. Well, according to GPS, I traveled 5 miles. I think in a straight line I went about 5 feet. That was one twisty ass gravel road back there. Well, I am back on beautiful pavement now. I'm on Tennessee 68 headed north back towards Sweetwater. This little nice chicken dude. I don't believe I'm going to do any more recording today. So check back in with me tomorrow and let's see where I go. All right. Till then. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I thought I'd film it out here on this gravel road. Probably my last one of the trip. So if you would, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below and help me grow this channel. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video.